So hey guys, today I'll teach you some more parts of some more new techniques with Maya, and this is the second part of basics in Maya. So I'm just like learning how to get into Maya, get started with Maya. So let's get started. So first you have to select an object, like create an object, and I'll just close this out. I'll just keep it outline. It's fine. And in last video we talked about outline, we talked about scale, we talked about rotate, we talked about channel box, we also talked about different kind of poly that they're there. So what you can also do is that you can scale it like this, and I'll show you this. I told you last time, this is channel box. You can do whatever you want. You can rotate, you can transform in scale and all. So here when you see, you have a attribute edit as well, so you can go here as well, and you can do the same thing. You can rotate, you can scale and all the same way, but the channel box is also here, and attribute editor is also here, so you can do the same thing over here. And attribute editor basically is that you can go here, you can apply a particular texture and then change it and do whatever you want like that. So I'll teach you some basics as well. So if you press F8, you get an object mode, and if you press F8 again, you get an face mode or edge mode. So what I'm going to do is you have to select this object, keep pressing the right click, and then you get these options over here top here. You get face, you get vertex, you get edge, and then object mode. So these three are very important: edge, vertex, and face. As I'm going to teach you right now what they do. So if you go to face, you can select a particular face of it. So if you see a box, you can select right, left, or top side of it, and you can just move it out, or you can move it in from that face. So that's going to scale and move the whole object inwards or outwards. So that's that. And one more thing I'll show you, one second. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna take this, and then now I'm gonna show you how to select faces like in a circular manner. So if you go here, if you right click, go to face, and then you select one face, and double click on the neighboring face of right or left of that face, then you can select the whole row of it. And then now you can just press R to scale it out, scale it in, or do whatever you want with that. And now I'll press F8 for object mode, and I'll delete that. And the next thing you're gonna do is we're gonna try to um, scale this and create something different. So if you go here, and I'm gonna teach you about vertex. So vertex is basically points where these faces meet. So when you see a square or a sphere, you see this point, like the latitude and longitude. All the latitudes and longitudes where they meet is a vertex, where you can move it. So you can move this vertex outwards, it's gonna create something like this. If you move this vertex sideways, it's gonna create something like this. And then it's basically a particular way or form of transforming the object. Yeah, the same way over here as well. So in the face, you also selected one face, and you shift selected the other one, so you could select the whole row of it. Same way over here as well, you select one vertex, and you double click on the neighboring vertex, so you can select the whole row of it. Now I can just create something like this, which basically creates a globe, which is like something like this, and then you can just select it like that and go to face. Once I can select this, select like that, and then extrude. Yeah, so now I'm going to teach you how to extrude as well. So you press shift and you press left click. Shift and left click and move tool will create an extrude tool, will basically extrude the faces that you selected. So you do that, you can just extrude them, and then you go to vertices, select all of these vertices. One second, I'll go to side view. I'll select all of these vertices, and I'll press R to scale them, so you can scale them down to like base. base. Yeah, that's done. So now what I'll do is I'll teach you how to use press F8 again to object mode. Right click from here and you can go to edge. So edge is basically like, if you know, like a particular phone or particular laptop, everything has an edge to it. So you can just select the particular edge, you can transform the edge as well, you can move it out, you can move it in, like something like this, and then it makes a dent kind of thing from inside. And then you can also select the same way, you can select the vertex in the face, like correspondingly to every one of them in a row. Same way over here as well, you select one edge, you double click on the corresponding edge, and then you get this selection of a whole circle. So that's that. And then this object mode you see, plus F8 again to come in object mode. So I'll teach you what object mode basically is. So like, you go here, you go to face mode. If you see this, the object mode basically lets you select the object instead of selecting anything else. So like, you go in object, you don't select any face, you select the object. So that's basically a basic meaning of object mode. So that's that done. And so yeah, that's done for the second video. So hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button down below and please subscribe so that you get these notifications, and please hit the notification bell as well to get notified whenever I upload these videos. So I'll upload basics of Maya and all of these videos every week, so please stay tuned so to see these videos, and hope you guys like them. Please hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.